Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot by 222. So if you all haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. So you'll be getting all your guidances through my videos and you can take a personal reading also. Now we'll be doing the most wanted reading, that is the career guidance. So you can see two piles over here. Whichever pile is connecting to you very much, you can select that pile, and over that pile you can get your guidance. So this is pile 1 and this is pile 2. So moving on to the pile 1, if you have selected pile 1, this is the guidance for you. So in pile 1 we have got the card called the Sun, and the angel guidance here is within the next few months. So here you can see these cards, they are very beautiful cards. There is growth, there is success coming ahead for you. There is recognition, there is appraisal, there is promotion. So seeing the guidance individually for students and people working and entrepreneurs or people who are having their own business, we can see the guidance. So for students, I can see there is a very golden opportunity coming for you. You can select the course whichever you wish, you can select the colleges whichever you like, and there is travel, there is relocation. There is a very nice recognition coming for you. So make use of this golden opportunity and all the best. And for the people who are working in an organization or in a company or working, I can see there is appraisal for you, there is hike, there is promotion, and there is recognition for you, and there is lot of demand for your work. You will be recognized for the work whatever you've been doing. There is overseas opportunities if you're looking forward, as well as there is a very rapid growth for you and people having their own business. I can see that here also there is lot of sales, there is lot of connection with the clients. Here also there is growth for you. Make use of this opportunity, and the angel message here is within the next few months. So for everybody overall, there is a very rapid growth and successful career within this 2 to 3 months for you. So make use of this golden opportunity very well. Make sure you will use this opportunity and grow in your career phase. And for the people who have selected pile 2, here the card we have got here is 2 of Wands and in the near future. Overall, if I have to tell, I think you are in your comfort zone and working. The best suggestion here is come out of your comfort zone and then start working. You will see the changes, and there are people coming for you with the opportunity. It can be your friends or it can be your family members. Any close people will come out for the partnership opportunity. And for students, I can see there is opportunities overseas. You can get your courses overseas, you can get the colleges overseas. There is a very nice overseas opportunity. You can go for abroad. So look forward, or you can just move out of your state, move out of your place, relocate, and that is there. So make sure you use this opportunity. And traveling is here, and people working in an organization or in a company, here also there is traveling opportunity for you regarding your work or career. Here also there is recognition and there are many other new opportunities coming for you. And people working as entrepreneur or thinking to start up your own business, rather than starting it alone, if you have any partnership opportunity, make sure you use that opportunity. Rather than starting something only on your own, make sure you start it with partnership. And the angel message here is in the near future. So you can see the changes in the near future, that is, you can see the changes within the upcoming days. So make use of these opportunities. So this was your career guidance for pile 2. So I hope the messages resonated with you, and try connecting with the messages and make use of this opportunity. All the best. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and keep following for more readings like this.